Okay, Maya, I need you to clear your mind. Forget everything you know about, violins or grand pianos. Imagine you're in a cozy kitchen in Newfoundland. The smell of salt air is everywhere, and someone walks in holding a mop.
Okay, I'm with you. A mob. Is he there to clean up after the party?
No, that's the thing. He's not cleaning. He's the percussionist. He's got this mop, but it's got a weathered rubber boot jammed on the bottom, a rusted juice can on the top, and about 50 beer bottle caps nailed all the way down the handle.
Wait, seriously? A boot and bottle caps?
It's called an ugly stick, and honestly, it's like the most beautiful piece of musical chaos you've ever seen. It's basically a one-man garage band condensed into a single stick of wood.
An ugly stick. Well, the name is certainly honest. It sounds like something someone built on a dare after spending too much time in their tool shed.
That is exactly what it is. It's the ultimate reduce, reuse, recycle success story. You take a mop or a broom handle, you go out to the shed, just like your grandfather would, and you grab anything that jingles, clangs, or rattles. Felt tins, tobacco cans, old nails. If you can put a screw through it, it's an instrument. It's like the MacGyver of the music world.
I love that. It feels so resourceful. But how do you actually get music out of a boot and a mop? Is it just a lot of thumping?
Oh, it's all about the rhythm, Maya. It's high energy. You hold it in the middle with one hand, and you basically bounce it off the floor. That's where the rubber boot comes in. It gives it this rhythmic, muffled thump. And while you're bouncing it with one hand, you've got a drumstick or a notched piece of wood in the other hand, and you're whacking the bottle caps and the juice can on top.
I'm just picturing the energy in the room. It sounds loud.
It's infectious. It's like a pogo stick that makes its own soundtrack. And the best part is the bling. People decorate them with colorful yarn, ribbons, or even old wigs. Every ugly stick is like a fingerprint. No two are the same because no two sheds have the same junk in them.
It sounds like it's been around for centuries given how folk it feels. Is it an ancient tradition?
You'd think so, right? But here's the kicker, and this blew my mind. It didn't really become a thing in Newfoundland until the late 70s or early 80s.
Wait, really? Only 40 years ago? I assumed it was something passed down from the first settlers.
Right? That's what everyone thinks. There was this musician, Winston Stanley, who popularized it in the late 70s. Before that, the history is a bit fuzzy, but it really took off in the 90s. There was this folk of the sea choir that formed after the cod fishery collapsed. It was a tough time, and the ugly stick became the symbol of making something from nothing. It's resilient, you know?
That's a lovely way to look at it. A silver lining in a hard time. It's not just noise, it's a community finding its beat again.
Exactly. And even though the name ugly stick is relatively new, the idea is actually super old. This is the part that's wild. Similar instruments have been around forever.
Like what?
Okay, so back in the 1800s, British Army marching bands had this thing called a jingling Johnny. It was a stick covered in bells. And the French Foreign Legion had one called a chapeau chinois, literally a Chinese hat, because of the shape of the metal on top.
So the ugly stick has posh cousins in Europe?
Exactly. It's like the ugly stick is the fun, rebellious cousin who moved to the coast and started wearing rubber boots. In Australia, they call it a lagerphone because they use beer bottle caps. Lager, get it? And in England, they call it a monkey stick or a Mendoza.
A lagerphone. That's fantastic. It's amazing how humans across the globe all had the same thought. I want to keep time, and this stick and these metal bits will do perfectly.
It's universal. It's that primal need to just hit something rhythmically.
You know, talking about all these different versions makes me realize how much there is still to discover. It's like we're all part of this giant global conversation. If you're listening and you want to stay in that conversation with us, you should definitely come back tomorrow. Join the loop and get your daily curiosity fix. We'd love to have you back on the porch.
Yes, please join the party. We have plenty of metaphorical ugly sticks for everyone.
So does everyone in Newfoundland just have one of these in their closet?
Pretty much. They even have ugly stick workshops now. Instead of a wine and paint night, you go and build a percussion instrument out of trash. They've even used them in the musical Come From Away. It's gone from the kitchen party to Broadway.
From a juice can to the big stage. That's the dream, isn't it?
It really is. It's a testament to the fact that you don't need $1,000 instrument to make something that moves people. You just need a mop, a boot, and a little bit of heart.
And maybe a few long weekends of collecting bottle caps.
Exactly. At least 2 long weekends, according to the pros.
Well, I'm feeling inspired to go check my recycling bin now. Thanks for bringing this today, Leo. It's a good reminder that there's music in everything, if you're willing to look for it.
Stay curious, Maya.
See you again. Stay curious.